ingredients. Okay, so the first thing I will add to my pot is my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and my pimento. No, oh no, no, tell me, say, no, so cooking go as so me. Again, welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. How are we doing today? Are we doing great? I hope so, because as for me, I'm doing fine. So guys, today I am in my kitchen. I will be doing some cornmeal porridge today. That's what I feel for today. So I'm gonna be doing some cornmeal porridge. So let me share my ingredients with you. So this is my cornmeal. I will be using some coconut milk. I love my porridge with coconut milk. If there is no coconut milk, there is no porridge. This again, I will be using this. This is milk again. Yes, I will be using this too. I have some spice here. This is my vanilla. I have with me here this is my cinnamon stick. This is my pimento seed and my nutmeg. I grate my nutmeg. And I will be using some butter too. I will be using some butter. If my porridge not nice, guys, me no want it. My porridge have to be nice and spicy. So my pot is on the fire waiting. I'm waiting for the water to boil to add my ingredients. Okay, so the first thing I will add to my pot is my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and my pimento. No, oh no, no, tell me, say, no, so cooking go as so me cook my porridge. Me have to add my pimento, my nutmeg, and my cinnamon stick, and leave those to boil before I add my cornmeal. Now, what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to tell me in the comment section how you prepare your cornmeal porridge, okay? I want to see how you prepare your cornmeal porridge. So guys, my water is boiling. So I'm gonna add my spices to the pot. There are my spices. Once I'm ready to add the cornmeal, I will show you. Guys, I'm gonna add my cornmeal to the pot now. My bowl is a bit small, but it's okay. So I'm adding my cornmeal to the pot. That's done. And I'm gonna stir until my porridge comes together, the texture comes together. It may be a bit thick, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna turn my fire on a lower heat. It's a bit thick, but it's not a problem because I will be adding the milk. This is what my porridge looks like in the pot, and you see it's popping up on me, but it's okay because I'm gonna add my milk. And I don't like my porridge too thin, and I don't like it too thick. Okay, so I now put the fire on a very low heat I will add my milk to this when the cornmeal is cooked, and leave it there to simmer so that the coconut milk can be cooked. And we have to keep stirring so that the porridge does not become lumpy. Right, guys, this cornmeal is not, it's very refined, so it does not take a very long time to cook. I'm gonna be adding my milk now. So that's the milk. Wow. You see what is happening, guys? This is the coconut milk now. I will add. I don't need a lot of coconut milk in it. It's just to give it the coconut flavor. To keep stirring. Until it comes to the texture of our choice. And look at my porridge, guys. Look at it. It's the perfect way. I don't like my porridge too thin, and I don't like it too thick. It's okay like this. See? I don't know how well you're seeing it, but here it is. Not too thin, not too thick. I'm gonna add my vanilla, and I'm gonna add my butter, and I'm gonna add a pinch of salt also. Here's my butter. Here's my porridge, guys. Look at it. It's okay. Guys, look at my porridge. Look at my porridge. Tell me what you think about my porridge, guys. This is my porridge. Don't worry, that's the cinnamon stick right there. I'll soon get rid of it. This is my porridge, guys. Now tell me what you think of my porridge. I'll show you the finished product in the bowl after. Okay, so stay tuned. Guys, here's my porridge. This is my porridge. So tell me, what do you think about my porridge? What do you think of my way of cooking my porridge? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you like this video, just thumbs up, like, subscribe, and do everything where you know you have to do to the channel. Worse if you are new. So guys, I'm out for now, and see you in my next video. Okay, and thank you all for watching.